Open it.
Dog.
Open it.
Finish opening it.
Dog.
Yeah.
Rip it open, Hudson.
Give her
Who is that?
Mm,
Who is it? Is it Slinky Dog from Toy Story? Yeah.
What'd you get?
ah,
Show Mama.
happy dog.
Yeah.
Dog?
Maka more.
More?
More pieces.
Do you say more Christmas?
More Christmas, yeah.
More Christmas.
You like Christmas, don't you?
Maka open.
Open it.
Happy dog.
What's that? You got letters for the refrigerator.
Cool.
Maka more. More pieces.
You could have wrapped rocks in a box. They just don't open it, I think.
More pieces.
Yeah. I was gonna look at that one like the other one. It's the same thing pretty much.
Cool. You got more?
What was
Oh,
this one there?
white.
It's animals for the fridge.
Bus. Okay, bus.
Oh, I don't think that's left.
He knows he's getting a bus because he opened it. And then I had to rewrap it. What is that?
What is it?
What you got, Hudson?
Animals.
Animals.
Good job.
Those are for the fridge too, bud.
My open.
Yeah. Those are to stick on the fridge so you could play with them.
More blessings.
Yep, more
You
presents.
have more presents.
You have a lot more. All right. Which one you want to open next, Hudson?
Here, we'll put it over here, okay? Just start stacking them over here so you got room, alright?
No, dog. No.
You got more presents to open.
He wants to be able to see the dog.
I want dog.
Okay.
Will you, like, grab all the trash
Yeah.
away? All right, Hudson, pick the next one. Here.